I thought this was a Mexican restaurant. Why we get chopsticks?
Those aren't chopsticks.
Oh.
Pull it out.
Travelers, this is day 2 on the MSC Seashore.
Right now we are docked in Nassau, so we're going to go get some lunch, try to walk the ship for a little bit, or we may get off the ship because
depending on the rain.
Yeah,
I want to grab something in the shopping center of the Bahamas. We're not going to be out there too much because we really were just going to stay on the ship. But I didn't see what I was looking for on the ship, so I'm going to jump off the boat real quick. Not jump off, but I'm going to walk off. Hey, we're going to walk off the boat really quick and see if they have it in the shopping center.
Yeah, so tonight we're going to hit up the white party.
The white party, yes.
It's at 10:45. We'll try to make that and see exactly what it's all about as well.
We don't set sail till 7.
Yeah, till 7.
So right now it's 1 o'clock, and we're about to go grab some lunch and
get a drink.
Definitely get a drink.
I mean, it'll be a good day though.
It's always such a beautiful day.
Always.
What my singer Jamie Gray said, it's such a beautiful day. This is some of the items that you can get at the buffet. Get your fruits here. Usually get your plates right here. Kind of busy right now, but you got your salads here.
This is where you can get your sandwiches, make your charcuterie board, bread. Yeah, there's some good pizza here. Let me grab you some soup. They have a bar area here. Spring package, only thing they have is wine, coffee, and cans of beer.
Papa just went to go grab him some lunch really quick. I would have went first. He already asked me to go first, but I told him to go ahead and grab first. So I'm just going to show you of what I'm seeing outside of this beautiful window here. It's so pretty out here.
We sat down for a little lunch, so they tried it. Expected to be kind of stopped at the first little station. They wasn't too good. And got what I got. This is what I got. Philly burger, fries, 1 piece. Anyways, food. That's gonna fill me up so I can keep on drinking. We'll see what she brings when she comes back. All right, so y'all thought my plate was unhealthy too. Wait till you see this one.
You don't have, okay, first of all, you know, all this bread is gonna hurt my stomach like crap, you know. But I just wanted to try things. I just wanted to try. So it's kind of like a nibble. I hate to waste food, but I know I'm not gonna eat all this because my stomach is not allow me to eat. But got me coffee.
That's not coffee.
I got coffee. Here, cappuccino, water, Angry Orchard, which is gluten-free, but I ate it. I'm eating all.
Look at all that gluten in there. It balances out.
It does not balance out when my stomach starts hollering at me later. But I took some medicine, so hopefully I won't be too bad.
Just made it to the back over here, back of the ship for the first time. The sky bar here. Bridge of size. Oh, this is nerve-wracking as can be. It's not bad. Then we can stop here. And then we look down to the infinity pool.
All right, there's Atlantis.
All right, guys, we are again in Nassau. Like I say, it's gonna be a quick walkthrough. Just wants to see if they got
Dreamcatcher.
We are the only boat.
We're the only boat docked today.
It's crazy. So we'll see what's open, what's not open.
Yeah.
We're going from there. All right, here's the wine cellar on deck 8. Especially restaurant, the butcher's cut.
On deck 8, these are your other things that you have. Sushi bar.
I don't know, but yeah, they got little conveyor belts for all your sushi.
Ocean K restaurant.
And then now we're at the adults only. So.
Which we're not gonna stay because it's packed out. We're gonna go to the sports bar. This is where you get the gelato.
That was packed.
That was crazy packed. They make the adults only bar so small.
Yeah, I know. All right, so now we were gonna do the adults only bar, but it was too crowded there. One little bar packed out. The other little side was gelato. They could have made that another bar.
The one that we saw by the walk was just a wine and beer bar.
Yeah.
And we're looking for alcohol.
Yeah, we're looking for something to drink.
Something to drink.
Exactly what they're gonna do. Watch out for that step.
Well, no, you need to watch out because I didn't have to trip on it.
It's a doozy.
It's a doozy.
Well,
look at here.
Look who it is. Look who it is.
We have made it to the sports bar.
So they only have 2 options of tequila here. Patron, no. And this other one, Espolón. This one was a good one. But
that's the one we're drinking.
But you could give me the option of Patron or anything else. I'll take anything else.
What?
Patron or anything else.
Look, Patron's gross.
Yeah.
Espolón. What's it? Espolón.
Espolón. No, not bologna. Espolón.
I said Espolón. I got it now. Espolón. I got it now.
My tequila has her first name.
It's called Espolón. No, that was on you.
It'll follow you.
It's gonna follow wherever you go. So you go over there, he's gonna follow your face. Yep. There you go. That's perfect.
Yeah, he's one of the bartenders too.
Yes, he's so sweet.
We're back on D-Wad now. He's here.
I like D-Wad.
He's definitely taking care of us. So tonight we're going to be going to Hola Tacos Cantina at 6:30. And then we're going to go to the white party later on the night at 10:45. So we'll have to go and change
because one, I'm not going to eat
white.
Tacos and white.
Yeah, it's the white.
Because I tend to spill my food on the...
Yeah, she's learning how to eat, guys.
I do spill.
Yeah.
I'm a messy eater.
Do you think, here's the thing, do you think you can get your money's worth out of the $25, or do we just need to do a la carte?
If we're eating burgers tonight,
I was do a la carte.
we need to just do a la carte.
Yeah. All right, guys. You can do the all-you-can-eat for $24.99. Not a bad deal. The a la carte. They got the street-style tacos here for you. They got the enchilada burritos. You can get nachos, tostada, tamales, and everything else. And then, if you want to, they got some good margaritas on here that they say. So we're gonna look over this menu real quick. We'll get back to you guys in a few and let you guys know exactly what we order and how it's going to come out. So now she's got a mango-rita, and I got a classic margarita. How was your mango?
It's awesome. I like this better than all the mango-ritas that I've had.
Yeah.
Literally all of them.
Yeah, we've heard good things about this. I got just a classic. Yeah, everybody said that the margaritas here are good. They're not included on our drink package, so they are an upcharge. Yeah, that's a good margarita.
I want to taste it. It's so good. Actually, this is the best mango that I've had since all the cruises.
Oh.
It really, it actually is.
All right. So now we ordered we ordered El Chapo. We ordered a bunch of margaritas.
It comes with 2 of these. Would you think this is not chopsticks? Would you think this is not chopsticks?
All right. We'll catch back up with you guys in a minute. After she drinks water.
I'm drinking water now.
Wife started into the dip. How is it?
It's good. It's very good.
Very good.
It tastes very good.
She said it tastes very good. And so the food just came. She's got, I know I got 2 of the carne asada, 1 chili con carne, and a barbacoa. These tacos are phenomenal.
They are very good.
I'm telling y'all. You come on to MSC, go to tacos. Ola Taco Cantina, they're a la carte, but let me tell you, this $2.50 for a taco.
Or you can do 25 all you need.
Yeah, you can do 25 all you need. It is so good. So good. Ola Tacos Cantina. All right, guys. The verdict is her plate is empty. The dip is empty.
It's empty in.
Oh, my plate is empty.
They're so good.
All right, we'll catch you guys back when we get to the white party.
White party. See you soon.
Bye.
Et si tu n'existes pas, je crois que je t'aurais trouvé.
We're at the Brooklyn Cafe. This is a laid-back chill vibe with some jazz music going on.
Let me get a quick cappuccino. I need a little pick-me-up before. We are here at the white party, trying to maneuver around. I'm not a big fan of crowds, but we want to come. But Papa's gonna show you around.
All right. Good evening, MSC Seashore. How's everybody doing tonight? Are you ready for the best party ever? Now, through this party, we're gonna do the dance around the world. So we are gonna go in a journey all around the world with different songs and different rhythms. And the first country that we're gonna be visiting is in Latin America. Ladies and gentlemen, first country we're going to be visiting, we are going to Mexico!
Okay, as you may not know at this moment of time, we are introverts, extroverts. But we did want to show you the white party. And it's not our vibe. Not our vibe. So, I mean, I like a good party. It's just, it's a lot. It's a lot. And it's hard to get a drink. And you know, that's what Mama and Papa wants to get. So we're heading back to the sports bar where they have drinks, they have food, and they got casino machines too. And we can watch the basketball game as well. Oh, basketball game is over, my husband says. All right, but he didn't show our outfits and nothing like that, but we have on all white. I did spill as soon as I got my coffee. And my husband's first thing he said is, don't spill your coffee. And sure enough, as soon as he said it, I spilled on my But anyway, we're back at the sports bar.
All right, guys. You ain't even got to hear. You ain't got to hear what we're saying.
What do you call me? Go from home to cheers. I've never got to talk to an absolute guy or an on-ramp to say
we came here.
Like
I said, it was way too fast.
Yeah, when we came through here earlier, this whole bar was rammed.
It was so rad.
So we go watching the basketball game. Then we go upstairs, and the whole top deck was packed out, as you see.
Yes, it was.
And tough to get a drink.
Tough to get a drink. Couldn't get the drink that I actually wanted.
What even our vibe?
Was not our vibe. I mean, trust me, the music, yes. I like music.
Oh yeah.
I'm a music. I love dancing.
Yeah,
but
it
it's just way too crowded. And I mean, it's even outside, and there's too many people, so it's extra hot.
So basically, we came down here.
Yeah.
You got a seat at the bar. Got a drink.
Got to see quickly because everybody's upstairs.
Ain't nobody here.
Ain't nobody
already. They're gonna have to.
So we're right here.
So no one, if they want want to get this thing back from home and have a chance.
Our boy serving us well, taking it on up for us. There you go. Look at this pour. Yes. The coffee beans right on the top. And there we go.
Thank you, sir. What we got here? All right.
That's why we're here.
We're going to get back to our vacation.
Exactly.
Have a plan, grab your beer.
Grab a drink. Grab your wine.
Grab your wine. We got a few more coming. Oh yeah, forgot one more thing. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment, whatever you got to do.
Leave a boat emoji. Peace sign.
Yeah, we'll reply back to it.
We
but
definitely will.
Like I say, it all helps us on out and everything else. So, but forgot to mention that. And now we'll definitely see you guys in the next video. See you.
On to the next one. On to the next one.